Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the British pound, but in general guys, as you can see we have the mostly similar scenarios among the other major currencies, so approximately the same action. I mean, on the intraday charts we have on the New Zealand dollar, on the euro currency, on the Australian dollar, so it's lots of similar action right now stands. That's why if you will check the other majors, you will probably find something else for trading, but in the same manner. What we mostly are talking about. So on the Great British Pound, we know that market stands in the support area, and where we were watching for free drive buy pattern that should be completed today, somewhere around 130.40 area. Mostly, here's lows was 130.48. We could say that market mostly has been completed. I mean, it has reached the point where theoretical upside action should happen. At least we will be watching for that. And currently, on the daily chart, we do not see much to do. And mostly, probably today, we will be focused on the intraday charts. Because on the forward time frame chart, there is a setup that we have talked about recently. This most recent drop, in fact, this last action of the third drive on the daily, and we said keep watching on what will happen here, because here we could get, for example, bread and butter sell if market will hit that freight resistance within the three closes above the 3x3. That will be chance to take the scalp short trade with the backward action at least to the 618 support of the whole upward retracement. That's the minimum target of the bread and butter. Or if market will not reach the 30% resistance, the resistance will drop lower, close below 3x3. This could become the double repo, and that will become the pattern that will trigger the daily reversal by the 3 drive. So the bottom of the 3 drive will take the shape of the double repo pattern on the forward time frame chart. So as you know, for the double repo we need solid thrust down, close above the 3x3, but market should not reach the major level, I mean major fib level, close below with the approximately equal bottoms, and close above again. If the action will be formed, this will be bullish reversal pattern that will suggest upward action. Taking into consideration the daily 3 drive, appearing of the double repo looks more logical here in the current environment. So that's what we'll be watching for. Meantime, on the hourly chart, market has formed this kind of the triple to sell, which could trigger some leg down. Maybe this particular will become the leg of the double repo pattern. So as you can see, currently we are mostly could deal only on intraday chart. So just keep watching for some minor patterns. If you would like to trade, you could try to do this. This double repo, bread and butter on forward time frame chart, maybe on hourly chart. This will be the catalyst triple twos or something of that sort. So lots of patterns. But for us guys, currently it's major point to estimate whether the direction, whether the upward reversal will happen here or not, because this is the crucial moment. If reversal indeed will happen, market will start rally. We will be watching for this area. It's approximately 137, 137.50. This will be target, and we will have pretty much room for taking the position on the daily chart. Right now, we just need to understand how this process will be taken and whether the market will really show a reversal here. On the other currencies, guys, I just will show you what I'm talking about. For example, on Australian dollar. In Australian dollar, you could see on the weekly chart, market has reached major fib support. Simultaneously, on the daily, we see kind of the action drop, close above 3x3, close below, creating new lows, market moving higher, so it could be double repo buy, something of that sort. Also, this is major weekly XOP target from this top, ABC top. So we have talked about this previously and said, take a look at this action, so maybe market will form some bullish pattern. On the New Zealand dollar, You could keep an eye on the follow time frame chart, for example. Here is good setup for possible print bot or something of that sort, because thrust downs very well. As you can see, first move up, it could become the double print bot trade, for example. So you could see very similar action. So let's keep watching. Maybe today market will bring some clarity on the overall perspective. On the next week we will come with some new environment and some new direction maybe. So let's see what will happen.